This video will show you how to replace the coolant temp sensor on a Toyota Matrix. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now since we're doing the coolant temp sensor, we want to make sure that the cooling system is cool to the touch. So I'm at the radiator cap, this is cool, so I'm going to press down, turn it counterclockwise. This is going to release any positive pressure from in the system. Just a quick inspection of that cap. Go ahead and start it back on there. We're going to snug it up for now. We will reopen it for the filling process. For now, let's make our way over towards the driver's side of the engine. Now, as we make our way down here, we're looking for the coolant temp sensor. That's this one right here. Let's start by disconnecting that electrical connector. The way that this one's aligned, it's on the rearward side, so I'm just going to go ahead and press that in and we'll pull this out of place. Can be a tight fit. Once you do have it disconnected, a quick inspection for corrosion, of course. This looks good, so let's continue on. Now that I have that disconnected, we're going to be using a 19mm to remove our sensor. Keep in mind, coolant will make its way out of here, so we need to have something to clean the area and our brand new sensor with gasket handy. There's our sensor with the gasket. Just a quick wipe with a clean rag here. We're trying to hurry up. As you can see, fluid is making its way out. Brand new sensor, brand new gasket. Go ahead and start that in by hand. Once you do have it started in, go ahead and snug it up, and the torque will be 14 foot-pounds. Once you have that torqued, go ahead and reconnect the electrical connector and clean any mess in this area. For that electrical connector, we just want to make sure the locking tab's facing in the proper orientation here. We'll press it in, listen for a click. There's our audible click. A tug to confirm it's secured in place. Go ahead and use some water. We'll make sure we rinse all this down into our collection receptacle. Now let's fill our cooling system. Now that I have that cap out, I can see that my coolant is low, so I'm using a small adapter for my coolant funnel. Now once you have your funnel in place, you want to use the manufacturer's specified coolant. You're going to go ahead and fill the cooling system and bleed out any air. After you've filled the cooling system with the manufacturer's specified coolant, go ahead and remove the funnel apparatus and reinstall your cover. Okay, we finished filling our cooling system. You need to run the vehicle until you're sure that the cooling fans turn on. That signifies that the vehicle's thermostat has opened up. The coolant can circulate throughout the entire system as it should, and it has removed any air. We've already cleaned our mess. Just go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.